Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. Composer is a dependency management tool for PHP, used to manage libraries and packages that a project depends on. It automates the process of installing, updating, and managing dependencies, ensuring that your PHP project has the right libraries in the right versions. Updating Composer ensures better security, performance, compatibility, and access to the latest features and bug fixes. In this video, you'll learn how to update Composer to the latest version and keep your development environment up to date. As of now, the latest version of Composer is 2.8.6. Before updating Composer to the latest version, if you're using any antivirus software, it's a good idea to temporarily disable it for 10 to 20 minutes. Sometimes, antivirus programs can interfere with the update process. Open your terminal. Type the command composer -- version and press enter to check the installed Composer version. You can see that the Composer version installed on my system is 2.8.5. We'll update it to the latest version, 2.8.6. Type the command composer self-update and press enter. While updating Composer, you might see a prompt that says, "Unable to write to C, program data access is denied. Complete this operation with administrative privileges, Y/N. This is a permission error. Simply type Y and press enter. Next, you'll see a pop-up asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Just click Yes to continue. You should see the message, "Operation succeeded," which indicates that Composer has been updated to the latest version. Now, type the command composer -- version and press enter. You should see that the Composer version has been updated to 2.8.6 from 2.8.5. In this video, we learned how to update Composer to the latest version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.